Good morning, students. Today we will start the new chapter, manufacturing industry, from your geography portion. Okay, so let's talk about what is manufacturing. What is manufacturing? Okay, manufacturing is just a production of goods in large quantities after processing from raw material to more valuable product is known as manufacturing. Okay, for example, we have sugar from sugarcane. Okay, from as you know, from primary activities like agriculture, you get sugar cane, and that sugar cane will act as raw material for a sugar producing factory. That's why we can see that how we are getting sugar crystals from sugar cane. Next example is cotton. How we get cloth from cotton? uh, first we First we make uh, cotton yarn from cotton seeds. Okay, this is the basic process. uh, then this prepared cotton yarn will sent to textile factories, and there the laborers are involved in preparing cloths. Okay, then we get cloth. Third one is here, we get paper from wood. It's very simple. Wood will act here as raw material or input for making paper. Actually, first we prepare wood pulp. Okay, wood pulp from wood, and this wood pulp will use to make paper. Next, uh, iron from iron ore. Also we are getting iron ore from mining activities, as you know, है ना. We get iron ore from mining activities. uh, After when we get iron ore, it's not in pure form. Okay, so we treat it, or we pass it from many processes. Okay, so after treating it, we are getting iron from iron ore. Okay, so there are so many process behind getting iron from iron ore, as you know very well. There is hematite, one of the prominent iron ore, and we get iron actually from hematite. Next slide will be shared now. Next is need of manufacturing. As we all know, need of manufacturing is very important for we people. uh, there are different categories living in India. Some of rich, some of them are poor, and some of them are belong to middle class. So that's why manufacturing industries not only help to modernize agriculture, but also reduce the dependence of people non agricultural income by providing jobs in the secondary and tertiary sector. Uh, the students, just think about that. If we are getting, just suppose we are getting sugar cane from sugar. Okay, so and we sell the surplus from our फॉर्म सरप्लस फ्रॉम आवर फॉर्म्स. जो हमारी फॉर्म्स का सरप्लस होता है उसको हम क्या करते हैं, सेल कर देते हैं. ठीक है, और सेल जब हमने किया तो द सरप्लस विल एक्ट एज इनपुट to our manufacturing industries. Manufacturing industry is an uh, manufacturing industry is in an industry where secondary sectors activities are going on. As you know very well, है ना. तो uh, when we get output from our manufacturing industry, the tertiary sector will act as market for our valuable things. As manufactured goods can be exported, it also expands trade and commerce and brings in foreign exchange. It helps remove unemployment and poverty. Also, next point, India's prosperity lies in increasing and diversifying its manufacturing industries. Okay, next slide. Then our next slide is based on the location of industries. Students, as we know very well that the location of industries is a very important factor for producing things in a proper way. So well categorized location of industries into two factors. First one is geographical factors, and second one is your non geographical factors. Geographical factors, as it is very clear from its name that geographical factors में आपका आ जाएगा, there must be availability of raw materials in proper way. If there is no availability of raw materials easily there, then it will create problem to manufacturing industries. Okay, so availability of raw material is very necessary. It must be from nearby to our industries. फैक्ट्री के आसपास होना चाहिए, इंडस्ट्री के आसपास होना चाहिए. Also availability of water and good climate is important factor. In case of non-geographical factors, electricity, as you know, electricity is a very important aspect of your location of industries. Without electricity, your machinery will not work, and your output will be affected. Only manual work is not important to produce goods or products. Second, cheap and skilled labor also important. Okay, this is a basic part of our capital investment. Okay, how much capital we are investing in our industry, it also it also matters. We will compare our profit, what we have invested in our industry. Okay, then actually we are comparing both kind of जो आपका प्रॉफिट हो गया और आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट, दोनों को कंपेयर करेंगे तभी तो पता चलेगा कि फैक्ट्री लॉस में तो नहीं जा रही है. तो उसमें आपका ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है कि कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट जो आप कर रहे हैं, वेदर इट इज़ इन फॉर्म ऑफ वर्किंग कैपिटल, फिक्स कैपिटल और एल्स, ये इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि वो आपका कम से कम पैसे में हो. इसलिए हम वहाँ पे चीप और स्किल्ड लेबर को यूज़ करते हैं. अगर हमने आसपास के गांव से ही अगर लेबर्स को रखा है तो वो कम पैसे में काम करने को तैयार हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, इसी के साथ अगर हम बहुत दूर से बुलाएंगे उनको तो वो अपना आने जाने का किराया भी, फ्रेट भी मांगेंगे. ठीक है, ट्रांसपोर्ट और कम्युनिकेशन फैसिलिटी होनी चाहिए प्रॉपर वे में. ट्रांसपोर्ट आपको पता है, अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट तैयार हो चुका है तो उसको आप टर्शियरी सेक्टर तक कैसे भेजेंगे, मार्केट तक आपको ट्रांसपोर्टेशन चाहिए होगा. इसी के साथ आपका कम्युनिकेशन फैसिलिटी होनी चाहिए. लास्ट वन आपका है सूटेबल गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज़. मार्केट तो आप समझ गए होंगे ना कि भाई बाज़ार नहीं मिलेगा तो आपका प्रोडक्ट ख़राब हो जाएगा, है ना. सूटेबल गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज़ जो हैं वो, देखिए इसका मतलब ये कि बहुत सारी फैक्ट्रीज़ जो होती हैं उसमें गवर्नमेंट का इंटरफेरेंस होता है. गवर्नमेंट अपनी तरफ से भी एड्स प्रोवाइड करती है. ठीक है, अब कुछ सुविधाएं देती है. तो आपको ये पता करना होगा जहाँ भी आप इंडस्ट्री का सेटअप करोगे कि हमको वहाँ से गवर्नमेंट किस तरह की सुविधाएं दे सकती हैं. ओके, आई थिंक दिस इज़ enough for today and for this video. Next will further topics will be discussed in next videos. Thank you.